Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the rotate command within AutoCAD 2024. So here I have my shape and I want to rotate it. So two ways: you can either press the rotate button up here in the modify section, or you can type it in, rotate. Now you'll notice down the bottom it says your current positive angle in the UCS. So angle direction is clockwise. So any angle I type in when I'm rotating this is going to do it in a clockwise motion. You can change this and I'll show you that after. So first of all, I'm going to select my objects. I'm going to press enter and I'm going to select the base point, which I'll do here. Now you can drag it yourself to find the right angle, or you can type it in, which I think is easier. So I'm going to do 45 degrees, and there you have 45 degrees. So if you wanted to rotate it in an anti-clockwise direction, so we'll start back here. So we're going to type in ANGDIR, angle direction. Now it's currently set to 1, so 1 being clockwise, and 0 will be counterclockwise or anti-clockwise. So if we select 0, new value has now been changed. So if I start the rotate command again, highlight my object, enter, select my base point. Now I want it to go that way, but as you can see, the arrow for rotation is actually going that way. So whatever angle I put in, if I put 135, there you go. It's rotated at 135 degrees anti-clockwise. So that's all for the video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.